Okay, this is a 2011 Toyota RAV4 with a 2.5 liter. The oil options you can use are 5W20 or 0W20. The oil pan, where you have the bolt to release the oil, is located on the passenger side looking at the front of the car. Right there is the oil pan bolt. That's a 14 millimeter. It's got a crush washer probably. If it's not leaking, I'd suggest just leave it like it is. That's a 14 millimeter counterclockwise to open it. When you're done draining the oil and you are ready to fill the oil, put the bolt in first, clockwise. Make it snug, don't over tighten it, and strip out the pan. Most of the focus is going to be on this, the oil filter. That's a little trickier if you're not used to this kind of cartridge style.